Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to get the Gang Burrito in GTA 5. For story mode, you can often find and steal this van in areas like Sandy Shores or near Lester's house. In GTA Online, the easiest way is to buy it from Southern SA Super Autos. Alternatively, you can seek out gang attack events, especially in Sandy Shores, where the van sometimes spawns after you complete the attack. Remember, the special Lost Gang Burrito is not storable. To increase your chances of finding the Gang Burrito in free roam, try driving a short distance away from its known spawn points and then returning. This can reset the vehicles in the area. Another trick is to switch to a different character and then immediately switch back, which often refreshes the game world. For GTA Online players, completing the Pacific Standard job heist can unlock a discounted trade price for the van, making it more affordable to purchase. Finding the Gang Burrito can sometimes require a bit of persistence, especially if you're looking to steal it in story mode. Don't get discouraged if it doesn't appear right away. The van also features in certain missions, such as Mr. Phillips or Nervous Ron, providing another opportunity to acquire it. If you're playing GTA Online, remember you can always purchase the Gang Burrito directly from Southern SA Super Autos for $86,450, ensuring you get it without the hunt. Once you've successfully acquired your Gang Burrito, the real fun begins at Los Santos Customs. You can personalize your van with a wide array of modifications, from performance upgrades like engine tuning and brakes, to cosmetic changes such as bull bars, spoilers, and custom paint jobs. There are many options to make it truly unique. The total cost to fully upgrade your Gang Burrito in GTA Online is approximately $155,940. Also, life's too short for a stinky car, grab Little Tree's Black Ice. Check the description for a link to that and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.